we are heading out the door. I just wanted to show you what I'm wearing today. I am wearing this. This is the Lululemon cropped Define jacket. I have it in a size 8. I'm wearing the black color, of course. I don't know why I had to say that. And then these pants that I'm wearing are old. They are actually the Lululemon Base Pace joggers, and I got them, I feel like 6 years ago. I got them probably even more than 6 years ago, and they're size 8, but I still fit in them because more or less, like, I just tighten the drawstring on like anything that is a size 8 and they will still fit. But we're ready to go, and my socks are also actually Lululemon, which is funny. And I do want to mention that I recently became a Lululemon affiliate, so I'm really excited for that. I haven't gotten any collaborations with them yet, but I am an affiliate now, so I'm very excited for that. I totally forgot to take you guys with me, but I need to check if this table that I have is gonna fit here. So normally my table just seats 4, but since I have 8 people, I need it to get this from my friend. I'm borrowing it from her, which is nice. And she lent this to me. Okay. So hopefully this is fine. It's slightly smaller than the table, but then I'm gonna have a table runner across it. So for the rest of the vlog, I'm just going to do some prepping because tomorrow I have a whole Christmas dinner I'm hosting for my friends. I have 2 friends from Japan. One of them has lived here for a long time, but the other one I met when I went to Japan, and I wanted to host like a really fun, you know, dinner for everyone. But today I actually went to Body Ollie's, and while I was in the area, there's always like some sort of market stuff happening around there, so I popped into one of the vintage markets, and then I saw this booth. So it's called Champagne Socialist, and they do oil perfumes that are like similar to a lot of, you know, higher end perfumes. So she had a lot of like Le Labo dupes, Byredo dupes, and stuff like that. And I'm not a big perfume girly. I have so much perfume, but I never use it. I just love the smell of them, but I don't use them very often. I can get headaches really easy with them. But they had this one, and last week I saw my friend Alex. She smelled divine because she bought a Baccarat Rouge dupe. And Baccarat Rouge, truth be told, I've never smelled it before, okay? I have no idea what it smells like, but she was wearing the dupe and it smelled so good on her. So the Socialist, or Champagne Socialist, had a dupe of it, and this was like 20 bucks. So it's kind of like, for the size, I think 20 bucks is fine. And it was the Bourgeoisie number 2. So she says this smells like Baccarat Rouge, but more masculine. I did try on the regular one that she has that smells supposed to be identical to Baccarat Rouge, but she says it can sometimes smell like Ariana Grande Cloud. I don't want to smell like Ariana Grande Cloud. Anyway, so I got the more masculine scent, and I like that it's a rollerball, so I can keep this in my purse in her little what is this, burlap sack thing, and then I can just put it on if I feel like I want to smell like something. So her website is champagnesocialist.co, and she has a ton of dupes in case you're looking for them. At the market, they were 3 for $50 or $20 each. I just opted for the one just because I don't think I'm gonna wear a lot of them. But yeah, I'm very excited for this because Alex smells so divine when she wore it. And then I just kind of wanted that scent as well. So I'm excited. Hopefully it doesn't give me a headache. Today will be the test, because if I get a headache from today, then I'll know why. It's because of the perfume. So first things first, to prepare for my dinner, I need to cut up some carrots and peel them. I'm cooking tomorrow, but I just like to get ready, so that way I have everything ready, and then tomorrow I just need to pop everything together. I'm making a roast in the oven. Will that be enough? I think I could leave a couple of carrots. Carrots cut. These ones are for my braised beef. And then these ones I'm gonna make into mashed potatoes. Typically I would use Little Gems, but the bag of potatoes was so much cheaper than if I were to buy like bags of Little Gems. So I just opted for that since I have to feed like 8 people. For desserts, I'm making a strawberry pudding. It's very similar to the Magnolia banana pudding, except strawberry. So I'm gonna put gloves on. I have trash taste on while I do this, but I'm gonna put gloves on just so the graham crackers don't get all up in my nails. And I'm gonna crush these babies now.
And sukiyaki, yeah, it's a little bit cleaner. Definitely you come out of it.
Especially this time of year, sukiyaki goated. The last one is chicken paprikash. So this is
done. I know I could have put it in a plastic bag and then like crushed them, but I really enjoy the sensation of like the graham crackers crushing between the fingers. Also, I like having like bigger pieces and crumbles so that way. Also, I like having bigger pieces and crumbles so that way when I make the cookie bars, sometimes when you bite into the whole mixture, you kind of get like a bigger chunk of graham cracker, and then sometimes it's like really well incorporated. I enjoy that. So here we go. This is one package of this to make my cookie bars. I will leave the recipe down below. It's like about the same. It's 1:56. Just a reminder, everyone, drink your water. Look how red my nose is, and I don't think the green sweater is helping at all. But yeah, I'm just chopping up garlic because I need to mince it for my roast tonight. I think yesterday we left off and you guys didn't see, but I ended up finishing my cookies. So I have cookie bars here, peanut butter protein cookies here. Somebody's gonna bring those like Pillsbury Christmas cookies, so I'll put them on that side. And then I have my cake in the fridge, and it's looking marvelous because of course it needs time to set up. So that thing is probably ready to go, you know, by the time we serve that. But I was gonna use my garlic press to just press everything, but sometimes with garlic presses, it doesn't take out everything and then there's some garlic wasted. So I decided that I would just mince it all by hand since I still have a little bit of time before I need to start cooking. It's 1:57, so I'm gonna start cooking the roast basically very soon, and then I don't think we're serving dinner until 6:30 really. But my friends are gonna start coming around 4 p.m. and I have a grazing board that is ready. I just need to put everything out. But yeah, it's gonna be a very gluttonous day. So I'm searing this one unbothered because I have 2 roasts, and I'm gonna put them and transfer it into here so I can put it in the oven, and then I'll transfer it back here later. I'm heating up my leftovers right now, and I got this package from Lauren, or Alvalicate. You guys definitely know her, but I was opening it. First of all, she packaged it so pretty in this little Halt Red Fruit box, which is cute. And then she got me so many things, so I thought I would unbox this with you guys. First, dry shampoo. Girl needs this all the time because I'm always sweating. I have a PSA Purposeful Skincare by Allies. A serum, a Kevyn Aucoin lipstick, girl. A light up rinse off mask. Interesting. I'm gonna enjoy these things. Rice toner from Korea. Okay, she knows I love the Asian beauty, and I think she knows that there are some Asian beauty brands that are cruelty free. I need to get into doing that more because like it's hard to find, especially when I was there. What is this? A scented candle. Also a lock of her hair. How romantic. Lauren, this is the prize, everyone. I'm gonna keep this, and yeah, this is the prize. Pompeii. Wait, is this boys? No. This is by a brand called Pompeii. She always gets me the coolest candles. Gorgeous. Look at this vessel it's in. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Oh, that smells really good, Lauren. Good pick. I love that. Light me with intention, it says. Definitely will. What did my... Oh. Ooh, hair ties. Active set. For sport performance. That's so cool. I didn't even know this was a thing. It has a towel-y thing around it. Whoa, that's so cool. She knows I love. This is their body serum, Lauren. Fragrance free, she knows. Oh my god, I'm excited for this. She got me so many things. I work out, so I need these. I need these, guys. I think she knew that I needed this. How do I open this? How do you open this? Ugh, I don't have a skizzers. Okay, whatever. It's fine. Ooh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Lauren. I love everything. Let's look at this Kevyn Aucoin lipstick, because y'all know I need it. Ooh, it's a pretty's color. It smells like vanilla. I love the packaging. It's so slick. Oh my god, I'm excited. Thank you, Lauren. I absolutely love it. I feel so bad. I always just get her food. What do you get someone who has everything? The bougiest person I know. I don't know what to ever get her, because she always has everything. Alright guys, I don't know what content was filmed because I asked one of them to film for me, but not sure what you saw. So hopefully it was okay, but I think everyone enjoyed themselves. There's tons of leftovers. So I sent home some people with food and everyone left with some goodies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I have got it down pat, cooking for a large crew with like the timing and everything, but I can't vlog when I do that because I'm like always like doing something. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I don't know if I will see you until the new year, but if not, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas, and Happy New Year, and I will see you then. Bye.